like myself, Dr. Rajesh, like I'm the director of this college. We are working under the leadership of our chairman. We are sitting at Saveetha Engineering College, which was established in 2001. We attained autonomous status in 2019. When we attained autonomous status, we were allowed to frame our own curriculum. So, like, we wanted a philosophy for our autonomous curriculum. We adopted lifelong learning as our philosophy for our autonomous curriculum. Because technology changes every day, there are many studies by World Economic Forum and reputed agencies that say 80% of the jobs are not going to be there by 2030. New jobs are going to appear, but no one knows what jobs are going to come. So we wanted all our learners, we call our students as learners, our learners to be adaptable. So for that we want to make them learn how to learn. So that is what is called lifelong learning. So to implement our philosophy, we searched for the right system and we found fully flexible choice-based credit system will be the apt method to make them learn how to learn. So like we developed a unique system and developed customized softwares for implementing the same, and we called it Flexi Learn system. Since it is unique, Intellectual Property of India was gracious enough to award the trademark for the same. So this Flexi Learn is a term coined by our own college. It's a unique, it's not there in English. So that is how the Flexi Learn was born. With this Flexi Learn system, students can choose the subject, faculty, their own timetable from first semester onwards. And also the domain in which they want to specialize. This gives them great flexibility. This develops decision making skills, time management skills among the students as well. Flexi Learn makes it possible to in many more ways for them to grow in their academic journey. Like it was mentioned in the presentation as well, it helps them to do specialization, earn minor degrees in a more seamless way, which AICT has implemented. The minor degree specialization which AICT allows is very easy for our students to get. They can also learn, as mentioned by our Honorable Chief Guest, we have introduced transdisciplinary learning, which is also made, which is easy to acquire in our Flexi Learn system. Like in addition to engineering, a student who is interested in music, sports, yoga, even drama can take courses in that and get credits also for the same along with their engineering degree. So transdisciplinary learning is possible because holistic education is important for a student. The narrow engineering in the narrow branch of their own study is not enough in today's world. As our Honorable Guest of Honor, Mr. Dr. Varshney also mentioned, interdisciplinary learning is very important in today's world. A car is no more a domain of mechanical engineer alone. It is only 25% mechanical, other 25% computer science, electronics, electrical, everything. Similarly, in a building, IoT, computer science, everything comes into play. In Flexi Learn system, interdisciplinary learning is very much possible. In each classroom, learners from different branches, from different years will be sitting with them. So there is a possibility for a broader collaboration between students, and they will be meeting different faculty, which makes interdisciplinary learning very much possible. These are all the few advantages of Flexi Learn, and basically to summarize, Flexi Learn makes learning learner-centric. In our traditional conventional system, the learning used to be teacher-centric, where the teacher will prepare for the class, he will cover the syllabus. In learner-centric education, learner learns at his own pace, and learning is ensured. That is the most important cornerstone of our Flexi Learn system. If you can identify yourself, it will be great.
Chennai questions, sir.
Okay, sir.
Come in,
Yes, sir.
Any approval from Anna University to start this program, sir?
Yes.
So actually, we are an autonomous institution affiliated to Anna University, but still we have the regulatory bodies like Academic Council of Meeting in the first level Board of Studies, where the curriculum and the syllabus have to be approved by the Anna University member also. The committee will comprise of people from other university as well from Anna University. So they will also be part of the committee which scrutinize the curriculum and syllabus, and we also have an academic council meeting, and where the committee members which involves the Anna University people as well, so they have scrutinized and given approval for this Flexi Learn system.
This Flexi Learn is from this academic year or
it was implemented from 2019 onwards, so we have been using it. Once we have become autonomous, this Flexi Learn system has come into practice and we have been utilizing it. Now it has grown to a bigger level where we have incorporated all the facilitators as well the learners. Now we have gone for the trademark.
We started from 2019. What was the response? How do you see the progress of this program?
Actually, the students really like it, sir. Actually, though there are some logistic issues, being affiliated college and it is not a residential campus. Usually, this kind of Flexi Learn system is more easy to implement in a residential campus where both facilitators and learners stay in the campus itself, like IIT campus. Or in developed countries like US, it is usually universities are usually a residential campus. Here we have about 50% day scholars who have to leave to their houses early by 5 o'clock. Usually conventional colleges run between 8 to 3 or 9 to 4. We cannot delay it as well. So covering making the students to earn all the credits in each semester is a big challenge. Framing the timetable, we are not framing the timetable. To provide them, offer them courses within the time limit was a challenge. But with the very nice ERP that we have developed, the software that we developed, we were able to overcome it. Even though we are not a residential campus with day scholars also, we had implemented it smoothly and it is going on very successfully. Students find it very, very useful.
How many domains were selected by the students since 2019?
Sorry, sir?
How many domains were selected?
Okay. Sir, totally the student has to earn 160 credits to earn BE degree, which is again classified into many categories like engineering science, basic science, humanities, professional core, professional elective, and open elective and employment enhancement as per the model curriculum of the AICTE. So in this category called professional elective, they can choose 1 or 2 domains. For example, a computer science graduate can select artificial intelligence as his domain. This is kind of it can be called as T-based learning, where they get the breadth of knowledge in the branch of their study and depth in 1 or 2 domains. That is what this Flexi Learn enables.
Suppose the student wanted to select unconventional domains.
So they can, computer science students can even select a domain on electric vehicle, which is offered by other branches as well. For example, I am giving an example. A mechanical engineer can get a specialization in artificial intelligence or robotics. Electrical engineer,
Data.
of course, electrical engineer can acquire specialization in or minor degree in data science. These are all examples. They can acquire specialization in the branches which are offered in our college, any other branch also. Any branch. We also offer unique branches like chemical engineering, agriculture engineering, biomedical engineering in Saveetha Engineering College. Usually because computer science is popular, most of the colleges offer only computer science related degrees and electrical and electronics degrees. But we offer a wide range of branches, sir. So our students can get cross-disciplinary specializations and minors also. That is very much possible.
About the executive program regarding coding, is there any plan to start from this year?
Definitely, sir. So we thank AICT for that opportunity. We will definitely look into it and we'll be exploring the possibility and starting, sir. Next academic year itself, we will definitely.
Sir, you have to obtain any permission from the AICT?
Definitely, we will need permission, sir. We have to apply only by November or December. Since sir has introduced it and encouraged us to do, definitely we'll go for it. Because being an industrial area, we have a very good potential also. Oragadam being close to us, definitely we have a very good potential and it can be a mutually beneficial program which AICT has given us.
Sir, lifelong updation is necessary for the survival,
Yes, sir.
but lifelong learning, how could be matched?
Sir, nowadays with technology it has been possible, sir. We ourselves we have introduced, bought Coursera licenses, which like 1,000 licenses, with which our faculty get courses, they themselves update, get certification from that Coursera platform. Like for example, the companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, everybody, and world-class universities like Harvard, Massachusetts Institute, everybody offer their programs through Coursera platform. So it is called massive open online course, as you know, MOOCs. So technology has made it possible. We can hear from the experts themselves. Like previously, somebody will be the inventor. Somebody has to give publish it in journals, which is again transferred to textbooks. Textbooks are transferred to notes, and notes will be read by the students. Nowadays, students can learn directly from the knowledge creators themselves through platforms like Coursera. We have introduced blended learning. Thanks to UGC permission, 40% of the credits can be earned through online courses. So today, what is there in industry can be learned by the students. And answering your question, professionals lifelong, they can always, they are all small courses, which are 10-hour, even 10-hour courses, 5-hour courses are available, which can be undergone easily, step by step. Now AICT also through National Credit Framework and ABC, Academic Bank of Credits, as sir mentioned rightly, they have really revolutionized education. AICT and NEP is revolutionizing education to upskilling. As sir mentioned, both for employed people, degree for employment people, and through ABC they can collect one credit by the other. Every year they can earn 1 or 2 credits, few credits. When they accumulate 20 credits or 50 credits, they can get a diploma.
Sir, you talk about the National Credit Framework. You said there is a resistance from the government institutions.
They are finding difficulty to implement it. No resistance from anyone. So they want certain clarification. So the government of India constituted a committee to look after the issues faced by the institutions, including government institutions. So committee was constituted, and the mandate of the committee was to draft standard operating procedures, SOPs, for implementation or operationalization of national credit framework. So that was the mandate of the committee.
Is there any time frame for achieving credits? 4 or 4 years, within 4 years they have to achieve the credits?
Yes, sir. Obviously, sir. To get a degree within 4 years, they have to earn the necessary credits. For example, for engineering degree, currently it is 160 credits. That they have to earn within 4 years. If they don't earn, their course period will get extended.
Sir,
In our Flexi Learn system, there is a possibility to earn all the 160 credits even earlier, even within 6 semesters, within 3 years itself, so that they can go for longer internship to industry and get experiential learning from industry. They will get 1 year experience by the time they get the degree itself. That is the specialty of Flexi Learn.
in Flexi Learn, the students have an option to choose the faculty.
Yes, sir.
So they are coming from higher secondary straight away to this education.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How they know about that the faculty to choose?
Yes, sir. We have both mentors, student
Students
ambassadors.
will have the peer groups, actually the senior groups, and by word of mouth, these faculty are good for these subjects. Actually, this evolves into a system where the best faculty sustains, best courses sustains, which attracts lot of students. All these things are possible.
The students' options, they want a flexible faculty, for that.
Yes.
No, sir, we also had that problem. We also thought so, sir, that probably some students may choose flexible faculty, but it was not so. Like faculty who were even though they were strict, if they are good in subject only, they were only becoming more popular in the system. We were also able to identify who are all the better faculty through this system actually. It was not so, sir. When it comes
Actually,
to
students want to learn, acquire knowledge. So this is not that they want a credits only. They, along with credits, because if they don't have knowledge or skills, they are not employable. So this is clear to our students. So they want to learn. If the faculty is able to teach and is or she is up to their expectation, then and only then they will register for their.
They choose that faculty friendly, like that only.
not actually, did not happen, sir. We also had those things in mind. We were following closely, but it did not happen.
I think it is point. How to adopt multidisciplinary. So if you see the curriculum, 160 credits, they have been divided into the baskets, right? For example, suppose out of 160, we say that 60 credits or 80 credits, they are the core engineering. So mechanical engineering, they are the core engineering. And rest of the courses you have a lot of flexibility. Standalone institutions, those who are MBA institutions you are talking about, so they can do, they have the all flexibility. Affiliated institutions, they have some restrictions because they are affiliated to some university. But the standalone institution, they have 100% autonomy in framing their curriculum, in considering the credits, awarding, and all such things. They have all type of flexibility. So this system is very, very convenient to implement in standalone institutions. They don't have any problem. Yes, that goes in the MBA. They don't have a so how can they give engineering or something also because have a so how can they yes, then what they have to do. Suppose there is a nearby music university is there, Chennai University is running music department. Now they can have a memorandum of understanding. If a student registered for that course in Chennai University, a music course for 3 credits, then institute Saveetha can easily count that credits. So all flexibility is there. Only thing is that we should have courage, we should have intention to implement.